Hello guys, today I am still playing Bloons Monkey Safety. This is episode 4, so enjoy. Oh, my bank's full. I need to spend some money. What should I spend? Why not? Why should I spend this land because I don't have anything? Water spent costs a lot of money. And that will I just want because I need it. And I'm not gonna skip that. So I'm gonna play for 7, why not? Only 1 minute 10, so it's not a big deal. Or maybe even thinking of doing base camp, but I might stop it depending on like the map and stuff. Yeah, I think there should do it. Now put it on non-stop and go. Let's go. I don't think this is a good thing to this comes to. Oh no. Good, but it is unnecessary for this control. I just put on instant speed mode. So, it actually is quite laggy for me, but well. There's only 5 rounds into the last one. Actually, let's go what? Good, that's another one very cool. Very fast. The game clip part because it's sometimes it might move down and like have to fix it and stuff. And that wastes time. But let's Bloons escape for a bit, but it will be defeated soon because it's default. Here's my first act, the monkey, just show help of the company power of this cat. Only up, no, I don't know how it is. Okay, it's not been so too long yet. I don't want to keep this here for 8 years. I know what my videos sometimes a bit laggy, but I can't really do anything about it. So So now it's finally loud enough to press a bite to another easy now to maybe let it slip here or something back of what's really easy. And we'll only make this video for over 10 minutes. Because if this game recorder, I'm using 10 minutes the limit. And the reason not using like tablet, iPad videos is because I can't find this right screen recorder on my phone. Good research, nearly finished and it's done. Okay, one. Okay, so it's claiming the rewards.
No?
Exactly, please. You can, okay, so just leave that. Okay, I think you finished reading it. If you haven't, then just have to pause it at this point. Stuff back, I didn't buy stuff. Oh, now I leveled up to level 10. Good. Oh, so I have to get a flat banana fan. Okay. Okay. What means if I'm going to do this, I'm going to have to destroy these 4 pieces of land, but I'll leave that for another episode. That's all for now. Bye!